Let's take a closer look at this Hydrojet washer wand. It is simply a way of increasing the pressure of your standard water hose that has a limited amount of force, but this here uses a increased pressure, and it has two different nozzles at the end. You can see this one is flat here, and then it comes with a spare that is just attached to the handle, which is a round. Now, once again, this simply attaches to your existing hose so that you can then use this lever here to shut it on and off. Naturally, you know that if it's in line, that means that it is open, and then you can close it. When it is on an angle like this, it is closed. It also comes with additional pieces here that I will highlight. If you want to do a quick connect for your hose to take this device on and off quickly, it becomes with the extra pieces associated with that and the seals. They also include some Teflon tape so that you can put the fitting on the end of your sprayer. I highly recommend this spray wand. It increases the pressure. You can use it for rinsing your car. You could wash the walls of your home. You can clean just about anything that you need just a little more pressure to remove dirt and debris. I highly recommend this.